Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Motorola Moto G9. So you have to start with opening your settings application. And now scroll down and click on digital well-being and parental control. And now click on setup parental control. Then click get started, then select child or teen. Then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And now you have to sign into your account. Now let me put in password off screen. And now you have to click I agree. Then click accept. Now select your account. And now you have to add a parental account. And let me type in password off screen again. And now click on more, scroll down to the bottom, and here you have to type in password for your child account. Now your accounts are being linked. And now something went wrong, you can click on close and then click next. And your parental control should be now set up. So let's check that again. Yes, and you can now install Family Link, and in Family Link you will have way more options to control your child. And I will show you this app on my parent device. Well, it looks just like this, and here you can set up day limit, you can set up downtime, you can set up limits for apps, or you can see the location of your child. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.